want to pick up on the recent revelation that the Montego Bay Sports Complex is now being used as a parking lot for your government office. And that the running track is still in disrepair for some 4 years now. Apparently, the Montego Bay Stadium is rapidly heading towards white elephant status. And look, to say again, this is a shame and disgrace. I get corny now. It's like no one is getting ashamed and no one is getting disgraced by what is happening or not happening with the facility. But while we continue to await the rescue of the only synthetic track in the entire corridor from central to western Jamaica, imagine some of us were even more ambitious by clamoring for another running track somewhere in central Jamaica to facilitate more balanced and widespread development of our young track athletes. But if we treat the one in Montego Bay like garbage, then what we would have done with another one in Clarendon or Manchester or St. Elizabeth? We'd have turned that one there in a hog pen. I think as a nation, we are being very myopic and ungrateful, especially to the sport of athletics. After all it has done for Jamaica, it's like everybody just want to raid the barn and nobody no want to plant the corn. We just swear.